A cup of coffee has its own set of benefits, and there are several studies that vouch for the positive effects of coffee on health, from longevity to the prevention of heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and even cancer. However, drinking coffee first thing in the morning could do more harm than good and lead to digestive issues, blood sugar imbalance, and a spike in stress levels, among other things. Also, early morning is probably the worst time to have coffee, as our cortisol levels are already high at the time. And drinking coffee could further increase the level of the stress hormone, which may lead to mood swings and an increase in anxiety. 1. Increased acid production. Coffee is highly acidic and can stimulate the production of stomach acid, leading to digestive issues and potential damage to the stomach lining. Consuming coffee on an empty stomach can exacerbate these effects. 2. Dehydration. Coffee is a diuretic, which increases urine production and can lead to dehydration. When consumed on an empty stomach, the dehydrating effects of coffee can be more pronounced, leading to potential headaches and other symptoms. 3. Jitters and anxiety. Caffeine can increase the production of the stress hormone cortisol and cause jitters and anxiety in some people. When consumed on an empty stomach, the effects of caffeine can be more pronounced, leading to these unpleasant symptoms. 4. Hunger suppression. Coffee is known to suppress appetite, and drinking it on an empty stomach can make it difficult for you to eat a balanced breakfast and get the necessary nutrients your body needs to function correctly. Overall, it's best to consume coffee with a meal or snack to minimize these potential negative effects on the body.